GGS MAQ 440 BN Safety Valve Manual Test Bench. This test bench is equipped with a built-in gas booster and storage device with a maximum test pressure of 400 bar. Equipped with two clamping discs platforms capable of testing a maximum diameter of DN400 and includes corresponding flanges and threaded connectors for secure installation. This test bench uses hydraulic clamping with a maximum clamping force of 300 kN. Gas detection systems utilize nitrogen or clean dry compressed air as test gases, with a black gas tube connecting to the nitrogen cylinder for testing. The minimum inlet gas source pressure is 30 bar, while the blue gas tube employs 8 bar of nitrogen or compressed air as the driving gas source. Select the corresponding connection module based on the connection type and diameter of the safety valve. Determine the required clamping force by referencing the corresponding clamping pressure chart table, considering the safety valve's diameter and pressure rating. Adjust the clamping force using the pressure regulator valve. Turn clockwise to increase the clamping force and counterclockwise to decrease it. Press the green control button to clamp. The pressure gauge will display the clamping pressure. Press the red button to release. Open the clamping table selection switch corresponding to the selected clamping chuck for valve testing. Open the nitrogen intel valve. The pressure gauge will display the inlet gas source pressure. Adjust the drive gas pressure adjustment valve to set the pressure to 8 bar. Adjust the low pressure gas regulator valve to set the pressure to 12 bar. During testing, choose a pressure gauge with a corresponding range based on the safety valve's test pressure. The pressure gauge should be 1.2 times greater than the set pressure. Open corresponding the intake switch. After adjusting the low pressure adjustment valve, valve testing should be performed through the lower pressure regulating valve. Open the switch for the low pressure gauge corresponding to the range. Perform safety valve testing by regulating the low pressure regulating valve. At this time, the inlet pressure equals the outlet pressure of the low pressure adjustment valve. Open the high pressure regulating valve for safety valve testing. Ensure the selected pressure gauge is opened. During the testing process, do not open the wrong pressure gauge switch to prevent pressure gauge damage due to overpressure. For operation of the built-in gas booster pressure storage device, the high pressure test switch must be activated. The pressure gauge provides a readout of the boosted gas pressure within the test bench's integrated storage cylinder. Pull out valve switch to activate booster pump to allow the pump pressurize the gas cylinder. Once the gas source pressure meets the test pressure requirements, press the switch to stop the booster pump. Regulate high pressure valve switch for high pressure safety valve testing. Ensure the precision pressure gauge range is correctly selected. Use the bubble testing kit for testing. Install a suitable outlet plug. Click the Start Measurement button. The equipment will record the number of bubbles leaking per minute. Pull out valve switch to activate booster pump to allow the pump pressurize the gas cylinder. Once the gas source pressure meets the test pressure requirements, press the switch to stop the booster pump.